welcome back to another episode of Moist Hardware. Hope that you're doing well. In this episode I'm upgrading my MacBook Pro from mid-2009. It currently runs on 2 GB of RAM and it has an all mechanical hard drive on 120 GB, so it's pretty slow. So I decided to upgrade the computer with these two components. The first component is from Corsair MacBook Memory, DDR3 8 GB. And it runs on 1066 MHz. And the second upgrade is SSD from VD Green. It's 120 GB. I'm really excited about that one and see what kind of speed it will give to the computer. And I'm also going to reinstall the OS and clean it up a little bit. So this is the component, guys, and this is the computer. Please enjoy the time lapse. For this video, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. The upgrades were super easy to install and it was like opening a brand new computer after installing the OS. A lot more build videos are coming up soon, so please stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe to the channel. Until then, I will just see you guys in the next video.